Hello everyone, welcome to SSH publication. As we all know that we have successfully completed letter writing competition and letter writing competition में third winner हमारी रही Tanvi Nischal ma'am. So I would obviously like to congratulate you ma'am for winning this competition. So how are you feeling?
I am feeling very humbled and obliged because, again, this every time I come across a competition, I always consider it as a challenge. So, बहुत ज़्यादा humbled and obliged because I couldn't, like, I had no idea. That's why I didn't even check my phone जब results announced हुए because I had no idea if I could be there. So, but thanks a lot. I'm really humbled and obliged.
Thank you so much ma'am. So tell us something about yourself.
So I'm an online tutor और मैंने 1 साल पहले ही अपना इंस्टाग्राम पेज स्टार्ट करा जहाँ पर आई पोस्ट spoken words, storytelling videos, or if I am performing at an open mic, or I'm conducting storytelling workshops or theater workshops with children. So from then on, and I have been writing ever since I was a teenager, and I believe that it's like oxygen to me. And बहुत ही एक beautiful quote है which I always think of, that if you pick up anything, you picked up a pen, you picked up a brush over a gun, or over doing something really wrong. So yes, that's why this is your only outlet.
Yes. अमेजिंग ओके मैम सो जब आपने फर्स्ट टाइम सुना इस लेटर राइटिंग कंपटीशन के बारे में सो हाउ डिड यू फेल्ट लाइक पहली चीज माइंड में क्या आई जब आपने देखा कि यार लेटर मुझे खुद को ही लिखना है सो हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू
Interesting, बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज whenever I come across competitions, तो उसके जो themes होते हैं या prompts होते हैं, कभी कभी बहुत ही mundane prompts होते हैं, बहुत ही simple चीजें होती हैं which are not exciting. But when you say that okay, you have to write a letter but to yourself, so that's very interesting because उसमें आपको सोचना पड़ता है, and you become nostalgic, and you think about things that happened in the past or whatever. So, because mera concept kuch aisa tha that I'm writing a letter to my younger self. So, when that person is in school or whatever this person is going through, so I'm writing a letter to that person that hold on, uh, everything is going to be fine. Just hold on. So, हाँ, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक था, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग प्रॉम्प्ट था, एंड आई होप यू कम अप विद मोर such competitions on different aspects.
बिल्कुल so in your letter I came across a story of yours which is in itself very interesting and kind of very inspirational as well क्योंकि जो आप आज बता रहे हो जिस तरह का काम आप आज करते हो and the kind of childhood you have portrayed into your letter those two are exactly extremes like एकदम extreme opposite so ये जो पूरी जर्नी थी how did you उस जर्नी को आपने कैसे अकम्प्लिश करा कैसे किया सो उस सब के बारे में थोड़ा सा बताइए
So again, because I was thinking about I was being nostalgic, and I was thinking about. So I remember when I was in school, I just hated maths. And it's not the subject I'm supposed to hate, it's because of the teacher. So she, see, one thing is आप किसी student से bully हो रहे हो, so you can go and complain to the teacher, but then the teachers are itself calling you stupid, and you're a zero, you can't do anything. Then you feel like कि अरे सभी everything is against me.
Yes.
So as I was studying, तो आई वॉज डूइंग माई बैचलर्स इन एजुकेशन, और वहां पर एक कॉन्सेप्ट आया डिसकैलकुलिया का, एंड इट वाज अबाउट एक लर्निंग डिसेबिलिटी होती है जो नंबर्स के साथ होती है. तो आई वाज लाइक wow, like I had this, or it can be, it's not like a disease ki,
Yes.
your kid is stupid, or like he or she can't understand. No, वो कुछ ऐसा होता है कि आप वो बस थोड़ा धीरे समझते हैं, जैसे कि डिसलेक्सिया होता है विद रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, and for numbers it. So when I was preparing for certain exams, and I had, even right now I have maths in my exam, I slow my process down and I do it like a child in first grade. और अपने टीचर्स के impatience देखते हुए I realize that if I teach someone anything, so I will be as patient as I can, and I will try to think on that level. So बहुत slowly हम break down करके हर चीज को, because you have been through and you don't want to carry that trauma and pass it on कि, हमारे साथ भी हुआ है, so you will also bear it. No, the other person has not done anything wrong, right? So
Yeah,
that's why I'm now like I have this sympathy towards students when I am teaching, that I have to slow myself down, and I can if I can just motivate them or give them a pep talk in some way. So yeah, that was one thing.
that's amazing. Like, जिस तरह से you really, ये जो आपने शो करा कि हाँ, जो मैंने फेस करा है वो आगे नहीं फेस करना पड़े, दैट इज समथिंग जो आई थिंक हम सभी में एक क्वालिटी है जो होनी चाहिए, बट ड्यू टू सम रीजंस मोस्ट ऑफ अस लैक, लाइक एक वो आ जाता है कि नहीं मैंने फेस करा है तो फिर मैं क्यों सोचूं दूसरों के बारे में। सो दैट इज ऑलवेज देयर। तो मतलब ये जो एक शिफ्ट है वो कैसे आया आपके अंदर, कैसे आपने सोचा कि नहीं यार मुझे आगे किसी को ये नहीं फेस करने देना है? So,
सिंपल चीज थी, रीड. When you read a lot,
yeah,
you become empathetic.
true.
ये रिसर्च भी है, ये साइंस भी है, ये फिलोसफी भी है, everywhere you can get this. तो I used to read a lot, and trust me, books are your best friends. So
Agree.
collect as many books as you can.
बिल्कुल।
Yeah, don't be ashamed of reading. Read as much as you can. तो जितना आप पढ़ते हो तो आप empathetic हो जाते हो, चाहे animals हो चाहे humans. I used to read normal books, novels and things like that since I was young. I used to read all those things. उसके बाद I slowly became empathetic, and then after, when you're going with children and you're teaching them, so I intern at government schools also. I volunteer there. So then I also have conversations with students. So when you're having conversations, you get to know कि किस तरह का background है, and this person, who is this person? Is this person completely अपने background से मिल रहा है, या ये तो बिल्कुल different है, इसका background बहुत ही ज्यादा horrific है, but he is very different and calm. तो अलग अलग तरह के person हो. So conversations and reading, they make you empathetic, और फिर आपके अंदर जिस भी आप प्रोफेशन परस्यू करना चाहते हो, आप उसके लिए थोड़े और एम्पथेटिक हो जाते हैं, थोड़े और पेशेंस आ जाता है आप में. आप समझ पाते हो कि दूसरे का पीओवी, जो हम आजकल बहुत रील्स में कहते हैं पीओवी, वो क्या है,
True.
वो कहाँ से आ रहा है. सो या.
Amazing. That's really amazing. So, जब मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, so I can feel one thing कि you are a person who is totally related to the field of education, and so I also I'm also a little bit interested into this field. So, and I have observed a lots of gap inside this field. And क्योंकि आप भी उन्हीं में से एक गैप पे वर्क कर रहे हो, so आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि आपकी नजर में और कौन कौन से गैप हैं जो कहीं ना कहीं एक टीचर और स्टूडेंट के रिलेशनशिप को हैम्पर करते हैं। एंड एक तरह से देखें तो यस, पहले के टाइम से आज थोड़ी ज्यादा अवेयरनेस है, टीचर्स भी थोड़े से ज्यादा दे आर काइंड ऑफ बोल सकते हैं कि ज्यादा कंसिडरेट हो गए हैं स्टूडेंट्स को लेकर के। बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू कि अब भी आपको कौन से गैप नजर आते हैं इन द एजुकेशन फील्ड?
First thing that I see is, I'm still an amateur and I don't have that much of experience. But still, I feel कि अब we have virtual learning a lot, YouTube. तो ऐसी कोई चीज नहीं है that you can't teach. Like, or it's not that जैसे पहले था कि my I consider my teachers as Google. इनके पास हर चीज का आंसर होगा, right? So when I was in school, but now it's the other way around. The students can tell you a lot of things. What you can do is motivate them. That's the one thing जो कोई उनको मिलेगा नहीं इतना, वो personal motivation. Or always have a dialogue. I have seen certain teachers who are very, you can say, orthodox, So if they come across weak opinions or different opinions, they don't agree with the student and they just punish them. That makes no sense. So, especially if you're teaching languages, because I teach English, that's why I'm saying. So, जहाँ आप लैंग्वेजेस पढ़ा रहे हो वहां पर डायलॉग होना बहुत ज्यादा ब्यूटीफुल भी है और बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट भी है, because the more you are talking with the student plus that person is involved. अच्छा पर ये तो अच्छा इसके my English teacher in 11th grade, she used to have a dialogue in the class. She used to always start the class with the dialogue. So what can be defined as fear? And then we will all start thinking, oh, fear ki definition. And then she will move on to the story. There is this boy, and it used to be so interesting. And then there was a teacher who used to continuously stare at the book and read. So you can imagine whose class was more interesting. तो
Yes.
सबसे चीज जो दिखते है कि भाई डायलॉग नहीं है बच्चों से, और स्पेशली बड़े बच्चे जो होते हैं 9th ग्रेड के ऊपर, उनसे तो बात ही नहीं करते हैं टीचर्स, इंटरेस्टेड ही नहीं होते हैं उनसे बात करने में, तो बिकॉज दे लाइक सिलेबस खत्म करो पेपर दो, सिलेबस खत्म दो पेपर
हाँ,
दो, दैट्स इट. तो ये आई थिंक डायलॉग होना चाहिए बिकॉज उस टाइम बहुत जरूरत है उस चीज.
बिल्कुल. That's amazing. So now I would like to ask you कि letter writing competition की जैसे हमने बात करी. So letter writing for me and for our, like, as we assumed of it. So it is something like kind of a meditation with which you are able to know more about yourself. So did you also felt something like this, or what was your experience about, letter writing to yourself?
It's like journaling, as you said. Some people like to do that.
Yeah.
So when I was writing it, I was thinking about two, 3 points that I really wanted to address, major points, or these things I communicate in my class also, whether it's generally with students or whatever. I always tell that. So first thing I say is that if you are not good at something,
Hmm.
at one thing, it's okay. It's totally fine. If you are good at one thing, उस पर काम करो. It's totally fine if you're good at a child is not good at English. It's totally fine. Work on SSC, work on maths or whatever you're good at. It's totally okay. स्कूल में इस तरह का एनवायरनमेंट बनाया जाता है कि इसमें नहीं करा, ओह अब तो डूम, you're going to die now. No, that doesn't happen in real world. If you're not good at something, it's totally fine. You can work on it, but you need to work on something that you are good at. You need to continuously work on that. Second thing is this, less friends, best friends. Like the friends you have, that's better.
Yes.
Even if you, yeah, there is no point in having 350 and more tagged 350 more. That's not going to help you at all. And even if you like to be on your own, you like to do things on your own, that is also totally fine. So don't go under the pressure, I need to have friends, and don't live in this delusion that these are going to stay forever. Those BFFs, forever squads, they don't stay
Yes.
forever. So this test says that. I was very clear on that. So when I was writing this, I had this kind of resolvement. He, I'm closing on all these chapters. And third, very important was bullying. And if you ever come across bullying, please, please, please raise your voice. Don't go and start,
Yes.
don't be the bully to the bully. No, that's not going to help. Do something about it. Tell your teachers, tell some authority, tell your parents, whoever you want to. But please, 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 इस पर बात करें. That's very important. ये तीन चीजें I had very, it was a matter of resolvement, and I had these things in my mind that even when I'm writing a letter, it should be like a conversation. This is not a letter to myself, it is a letter to anybody who's in school, because that person might be going through one out of three of the issues.
बिल्कुल.
So that's why.
Amazing. Okay. So, yeah, I would like to ask you ki, like, if you have any message for our audience, so that, So if you have any messages for them, so you may just tell about it.
So all I can say is that be creative in any way as you can, and it is it is equivalent to meditation. Your creativity is equivalent to meditation. Please find your meditation. It's not important that you sit in front of a burning candle and meditate. That's also cool. But if you like to paint, if you like to write, please do that. That's the need of the moment, because we see a lot of violence around us, we see a lot of hatred around us. So I think this is very important. And secondly, please read as much as you can. Don't read Facebook posts or Instagram captions, not that. Read as in read, particularly go and read. It's very important. Yes. So that would be my
Amazing.
message.
Okay. So now I would like to ask you, like, when we talk about, letter writing, so we did, you have done it and you have also did it really well. So are you going to, ये तो एक तरह की प्रथा है जो हमने शुरू करी है, but I would like to ask you कि क्या आप इसको आगे कंटिन्यू करने वाले हो? Are you going to write it to yourself, कुछ कुछ टाइम में, so that आप खुद से और ज्यादा कनेक्ट कर पाओ? So have you ever thought of it, like taking it as an activity which is, for whole of your life?
I think I have been doing that because
That's
I
amazing.
think all my secrets are in my diary. So I
Okay.
always talk to my diary.
Yeah.
So just like a painter will talk to
Yes.
his or her canvas, I talk to my diary all the time. Format can be different. I can write a para, I
Yeah.
can write 2 lines, I can write some fill pages, but that's totally fine. But yes, every creative person is talking to themselves, and that's why they say that poets are mad. That's the reason, because creative people are mad because they're just they're so consumed in themselves, and बहुत सारे questions are going on in their mind, so they want to like get answers for those questions. So yeah.
Amazing. So, yes, now I would like to ask you, how was your experience with SDSH publication?
So it was amazing and it was unexpected, like I said. So this was something that I had written and I just rephrased it a little. I sent it. I had no idea that this would ever happen. Again, extremely humbled and obliged. I think this is all because of God that this happened. And I just sent it. I thought I had no idea. I thought that maybe this would work, this would not work. Let's see what happens. Let's just participate because I had content for it. I had some idea on it. So I just made it and I sent it. And then I was just like, oh, let's see what God does. And
Yeah.
He has been quite kind. So, yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this wonderful interview. I really, liked interacting with you, got to learn so many things from you. And I hope our audience would have also enjoyed this interview a lot. So, yes, thank you so much for this wonderful interview. Hope you would have enjoyed it as well. And आप ये letter writing को carry on करोगे. And that's all. So, yes, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Spread
much.
goodness,
Thank you.
spread happiness. Thank you.
Thank you.